Hi there, my name's Adam. I'm the Managing Director at a wholesale bakery called Truly Treats, and we are based in Kingsteignton on the beautiful South Devon coast. It was many years ago now, 14 years ago to be precise, in 2010 that my wife and I started making some cakes from our one-bedroom flat in Torquay, very modest setup, but we were passionate about handcrafting the best cakes we possibly could and selling them at local farmers markets. And now 3 commercial premises later, we're growing every time. We're doing exactly the same thing, but on a much bigger scale, and we're now supplying some large national accounts, but we're still keeping to those core values of handcrafting all of our cakes and making everything with the best possible ingredients. The tools and equipment we use in the bakery are obviously extremely important. Even doing everything by hand from scratch, we still need to mix the cake batters to start with, but we also need to show off the product in its best possible way to the end consumer. And I'm not cutting things by hand anymore. It's very much, we've evolved through over the years with different cutting tools, and now I'm very pleased to say that we are doing everything with an ultrasonic cake cutter, which really gives the absolute best possible result and means that our customer is getting a handmade product, but they're getting consistent portion size every time, and that is very important. The decision to invest in an ultrasonic cake cutter machine didn't come lightly. That's a significant investment for our company, and one that we needed to put a lot of research into and carefully consider. The decision to work with Brook Food came about them having a machine that we could get customized, and we could have it built to fit the height of our cakes, which are particularly tall in this industry. It was really good working with Brook Food during the research and development process. They actually had one of these machines on site, and we were able to send some samples up of all of our products, and they were put through the machine first to test the suitability, and also again customize it with the manufacturer to make sure we got exactly what we needed on site. The investment in this bit of machinery was really important, mainly because it allowed us to not only just cut the products more accurately, but it really improved the workflow of the bakery and saved us a lot of time. So even though the investment was large, it has actually saved us countless hours of labour over the last 6 months since we've had it. The main benefit being that this machine can cut ambient and chilled products, and our previous machine we had to pretty much freeze everything. So there was a long process there with having to freeze stuff overnight, get it out the next morning, and it really didn't work from a cross-contamination point of view either. But now we've got everything going in one line, going round in a circle, and this machine is towards the end of that production cycle. Now, after using the machine for 6 months, we can really start to see the benefits of the productivity, and we've really noticed how fast it is to get products moving through the packing area and the cutting and packing area, and it's really helped to speed up production. The plan going forward for Truly Treats now is to really ramp up our production. There's some very exciting potential contracts on the way, and we're going to take the company to the next level. But to do that, we need to introduce more shifts, more working patterns. So it feels a little bit mad saying it today, but this might one day be a 24/7 bakery. And then after that, the only way is to move site. We're going to run out of space at some point within the next 3 to 5 years, and we're going to need to look at a whole new site and design that from scratch, and get the right people in, including Brook Food, to help us plan the layout and work on buying the equipment for that site too. It's been a fantastic 15 years at Truly Treats, and we really look forward to the future and what kind of growth that will bring to the business and the people within it. And over the years, we've worked with Brook on a number of projects. We bought a number of bits of equipment off them. I've been lucky enough to go up to their site and have a look around and meet some of the team, and that's been really cool. And I really hope we can work together in the future.